Enter ye in the narrow gate, for wide is the gate, and broad is the way that leadeth to destruction, and many there are who go in thereat. How narrow is the gate, and strait is the way that leadeth to life, and few there are that find it. This is a straightforward passage that, before the Second Vatican Council, Catholics always cited as evidence of the fewness of those who are saved. However, Pope Francis recently tried to explain this passage. Now, is it just me, or is his explanation just gibberish?
È una porta stretta non perché sia oppressiva, no, ma perché ci chiede di restringere e contenere il nostro orgoglio e la nostra paura per aprirci con cuore umile e fiducioso a Lui, riconoscendoci peccatori bisognosi del suo perdono.
Now I beseech you, brethren, to mark them who make dissensions and offenses contrary to the doctrine which you have learned, and avoid them. For they are such, serve not Christ our Lord, but their own belly, and by pleasing speeches and good words seduce the hearts of the innocent.
Think about it. Pray about it. That's it for now, but be sure to check out all of the free apologetics materials